Hey everybody, Austin with SEICon Technologies, VP of Business Development here. And today on our Tech Talk Thursday, we're going to be discussing what we did in our new technology announcements for SEICon. Let's go ahead and get started with the advanced recruiting management. So part of that is going to be, let's just say it's athlete profiles or communication pieces or profile engagements. You know, you really want to be able to have all this athlete information at your fingertips. Imagine having all the athlete information you need in one place and making it easier to manage recruiting efficiently, effectively, and our system enhances the way recruiters connect and interact with athletes to ensure like a seamless, comprehensive process that uses AI to make informed decisions and help you pick the best player. Next up is automated compliance tracking. This feature is game-changing for ensuring compliance across all operations. With compliance monitoring, workflow automation, and reporting tools, our clients can stay ahead of the regulatory requirements with ease. This automation not only saves time, but minimizes errors, risk, and allows teams to focus more on strategic insights and more thought-provoking tasks. One of the most exciting areas we've experienced is AI-powered analytics and insights. So what does that mean? Performance and sentiment analytics, talent indication, and talent identification, we provide deeper insights into athlete performance and potential. This allows teams to make data-driven decisions, optimizing their strategies and enhancing their overall performance, while also having the human touch of understanding what player is doing the best in what areas. It's like having a personal analyst available 24/7 in your pocket. Our comprehensive data integration capabilities are designed to ensure smooth and efficient data. Now, what does that mean? Everybody goes, oh, we can make things more efficient, we can make things more effective, but what do we actually do? So with our system, our API support and data import-export functionalities are top tier and seamless integration with their existing systems and our systems. So this level of integration ensures that all the data flows smoothly, securely, while enhancing overall operational efficiency. Finally, let's talk about user management. And this feature includes role-based access and activity tracking, providing a secure and controlled environment for all users, and ensures that not only authorized personnel have access to specific data and functionalities, enhancing security and accountability within your organization. This adds that extra level of security that all businesses really need. To sum up the SEI conference down in Vegas, first off, I mean, it was a great time. Great people, great organization. It was their first ever conference, so they did a great job. So shout out to the SEICon team. Thank you for having us. It was a great time. It was a pleasure meeting everybody. To really summarize what a fantastic platform it was to showcase, the innovative solutions that we were able to talk to people about and show was really captivating to a lot of the people there in the audience. Our generative AI milestones have really made an advancement in, like we said, recruiting, automated compliance tracking, AI-powered analytics, and comprehensive understanding of all the user data, user management, and also on your athletes. You want to make sure that they're performing at the top of their level, on the top of their game. So if you're interested in learning more about these features and how they can benefit you and your organization, please feel free to visit our website at www.ismiletechnologies.com. Hit me up on LinkedIn, Austin Nasworthy, and thank you so much for joining me on this Tech Talk Thursday. Take care.